Hi, M5917. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. Hi, ma'am and sir. I'm Mary Cherry Jane Opangito. I'm married. I'm 44 years old. I have two daughters. 14 years old is my eldest and 5 years old.
Okay, your religion,
Roman Catholic.
your highest educational attainment.
High school graduate.
How about your civil status?
I'm married.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
I work in Dubai for 2 years, finished contract. I serve 4 people, one couple and two children. 3 years old is boy and 5 years old is girl.
Okay. Household chores that you do.
I taking care of the children. I prepare their food, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and focus on taking care of the
Okay.
children.
So you have an experience also in Hong Kong, right? You are ex-Hong Kong.
Yes,
Okay, tell me about your experiences in Hong Kong.
I work in Hong Kong in January 2023 to January 2025. In June 1, for 2 years, finished contract. I taking care of disabled elderly, 95 years old, and 8 years old boy. My main duties there is taking care of elderly, give her food, taking taking a bath, give her medicine, sometimes change diaper, and
Okay,
I take care also of child,
which is the 8 years old.
8 years old.
Okay, on your last employer in Hong Kong.
My last employer in Hong Kong in Wong Tai Sin, but I cannot finish my contract.
Okay. Why?
Because my madam there is always angry, almost cursing, and almost hit me, always shouting.
Okay. That's why you decided to break the contract.
Yes.
Okay, but what is your household chores there?
Cleaning the house, washing clothes, and taking care of small dog,
Okay.
and taking care of baby.
Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, for sure you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay. What will you do if the newborn is crying?
I change diaper and take the temperature is okay, and I feed the baby.
Okay. Um, if the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call my madam and sir if I tell them that the baby's not stop crying,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
because the Hong Kong is the highest paid salary, and to and nice country.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Finish contract and until my madam and sir, as long as they want me.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, I cooked there for almost 2 years in my first employer in Hong Kong and 7 months here in my second employer.
So what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Steamed fish, fried vegetable, steamed tofu and chopped meat, tomato and fried tomato and egg, fried tomato and meat and tomato and egg.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
yes,
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
yes.
Taking
It
care of
is small pets.
small pets like
Yes.
Chihuahua dogs or
Dog,
cats. It is
yes.
okay with you. How about taking care of elderly?
Yes,
If one of your employers don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes.
Okay. My last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, ma'am. If you heard me, I'm Hannes, the kind, and I will do my very best to do my duty.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss
Thank you,
Mary
ma'am and
Cherry
sir.
Jane. Thank you.